As nanonuclear energy keeps advancing its microreactor technology, it's also working on vertically integrating areas like fuel logistics to form a more comprehensive nuclear ecosystem, helping it gain ground in other areas like regulatory progress and international expansion, along with the aid of academic collaborations, giving it more energy to push boundaries to ambitious applications like nuclear power in space. But before we go too far out of this world, let's hit the ground and paint a picture of concrete steps toward commercial deployment of its nuclear systems. In particular, the continued development of its flagship Kronos micromodular reactor, which is humming along even more smoothly thanks to a deepened relationship with the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, through a new memorandum of understanding that expands collaboration beyond research into the planned construction, ownership, and operation of a Kronos reactor on campus. This builds on an existing sponsored research agreement under which the university has supported reactor design and licensing efforts. The goal is to deploy the Kronos system as an advanced research reactor aligned with Illinois, clean energy objectives, and carbon reduction targets. That way, there's an opportunity for technology demonstration while establishing a real-world operational model for future deployments. So far, there's been the submission of a construction permit application to the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission, formally filed by the university's engineering college in partnership with Nano Nuclear. This step places the company among a very small group of advanced reactor developers that have progressed into the formal licensing phase. The CPA process is widely regarded as a key turning point in nuclear development, requiring extensive engineering validation, safety analysis, environmental review, and regulatory alignment. It represents years of technical work and engagement with regulators, and it effectively distinguishes projects that are commercially viable from those still in conceptual stages. By reaching this stage, Nano Nuclear signals that the Kronos reactor is transitioning from design into a deployable energy system. NNE emphasizes that its approach differs from many peers by focusing on full-scale, commercially ready systems rather than limited demonstration units. Its broader vision centers on standardized reactor designs that can be manufactured and deployed at scale, enabling repeatable installations across multiple markets. Insights gained through the licensing process are expected to inform future siting, construction, and operational strategies, supporting a long-term plan for fleet-level deployment. This push toward commercialization is occurring against the backdrop of rapidly increasing global electricity demand, particularly driven by AI data centers, and electrification trends in areas like vehicles and urban air taxis. NNE points out that power availability is becoming a critical bottleneck for large-scale computing infrastructure, with grid constraints already influencing where and how projects can be built. In this context, microreactors are positioned as a potential solution by providing reliable, carbon-free baseload power that can be co-located with energy-intensive facilities. Unlike intermittent renewables or fossil fuel-based generation, microreactors offer continuous output and long-term price stability, making them attractive for high-uptime applications. Complementing reactor development, Nano Nuclear is also investing in the broader nuclear fuel supply chain, particularly around high-assay low-enriched uranium, HALEU, which is essential for many advanced reactor designs. Through its subsidiary Advanced Fuel Transportation, NNE is developing a proprietary transportation system for HALEU fuel in collaboration with GNS Gesellschaft für Nuclear Service MBH, a global leader in nuclear logistics. This initiative leverages licensed technology originally developed with support from U.S. national laboratories and is meant to address the need for safe and efficient transportation of specialized fuel, which is a key bottleneck in scaling portable nuclear energy. The transportation system is being designed to accommodate multiple fuel types, including triso particles, uranium oxides, and molten salt fuels, ensuring compatibility across a wide range of reactor technologies. Early engineering milestones have already been achieved, including conceptual designs for fuel payload systems and preliminary regulatory analyses conducted under strict quality assurance standards. Laying the foundation for NNE's plans to pursue certification with the nuclear regulator. Nano Nuclear's foray into fuel is part of its efforts for vertical integration to give it an edge in the emerging modular nuclear power sector, where the HALEU economy is expected to underpin the next generation of nuclear power. Looking at the global stage, Nano Nuclear has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with EHC Investment LLC to explore deploying microreactors in the United Arab Emirates and potentially across the Gulf region. The partnership focuses on evaluating market opportunities, regulatory frameworks, supply chain development, and potential end users such as industrial facilities and data centers. While non-binding, the agreement lays the groundwork for a future joint venture contingent on securing a commercial project. This move shows how NNE's technology can gain traction abroad in regions seeking reliable, carbon-free energy to support rapid economic and infrastructure growth. At the same time, Nano Nuclear is looking out of this world through its subsidiary focused on space systems. It's developing the Loki microreactor for potential use in lunar and Martian environments. It has issued a request for information to identify partners capable of supporting development, integration, and deployment of space-based nuclear power systems in alignment with U.S. government initiatives led by agencies such as NASA. These efforts are tied to broader national goals of establishing a sustained human presence on the Moon and eventually Mars, where reliable, long-duration power is essential. The Loki reactor is designed to deliver continuous power in extreme environments, addressing challenges such as long lunar nights and limited solar availability. With features such as autonomous operation, passive safety, and long operational life without refueling, it represents a potential solution for extraterrestrial infrastructure. Although still in development, this initiative shows how NNE's ambitions look beyond the immediate horizon to extend its technology into frontier applications that could become increasingly important as space exploration advances. To support its expanding global and regulatory footprint, Nano Nuclear has also strengthened its leadership team with the appointment of Sarah Lennon, a veteran of the U.S. Department of Energy and National Nuclear Security Administration, as International Nuclear Policy Advisor. Her experience in nuclear policy, non-proliferation, and international cooperation is expected to help the company navigate complex regulatory environments and engage with global stakeholders as it moves toward commercialization. Then, in addition to rising energy demand, NNE shines a light on increasing uranium demand amid constrained domestic production and growing reliance on imports. Governments are responding with policies aimed at expanding nuclear capacity and securing fuel supply chains, further reinforcing the strategic importance of advanced reactor technologies. Within this context, Nano Nuclear is positioning itself as a vertically integrated nuclear technology company, spanning reactor design, fuel production, transportation, and even space applications. Its portfolio includes multiple reactor concepts, such as Kronos for stationary power, Zeus as a compact battery-style reactor, and Loki for portable and extraterrestrial use cases. The combination of these technologies, with investments in fuel infrastructure and global partnerships, is setting up NNE for a potential chain reaction that builds a scalable platform capable of addressing diverse energy needs.